If you guys think that success can't come to anyone, then you're wrong. Jack took me from being a broken, bad decision making teen to a money producing machine, because that's what he does. He teaches you the skills and the mindset to be the best person that you can be and do what you love at the same time. And he doesn't waste time. He doesn't sell you out. He doesn't give you some, BS information. It's all real. He's a real person. He's a real guy. He's going to respond to you. He's going to talk to you. Whatever you need, he's going to help you with. And that's what I appreciate most, because other people don't do that. And what he does is he gives you a mindset. He changes your whole life. My whole schedule is different. I ended up making so many bad decisions. I ended up in another state, and I had to find my way back home. When I finally did, I didn't have nothing going for me. I ended up finding Jack, and then little by little, my life started setting straight. I could see my goals better. I could see where I was going to end up. And Jack was helping me throughout that. And I appreciate him for doing that. And I can't wait for you guys to join and start getting on this process, making money, and start making your guys' lives better. See you at the top.